Good morning everyone, myself Shamasmita. So today we are going to do the comprehension part of this chapter number 3, Anansi and 5. Okay, so इस इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर को पूरी तरह समझने के लिए एंड तक जरूर देखिए और मेरा कंटेंट थोड़ा सा भी आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक करना ना भूलें. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Comprehension. Number 1. Answer the following questions. Number 8. What was the witch name? And why didn't she like it? जो witch थी उसका क्या नाम था, वो उसको अपना नाम क्यों पसंद नहीं था. Okay. So the witch name was Five. Okay. She hated her name because all through her life people had laughed or looked surprised when they heard her name. D. What was the witch doing in her garden? The witch was stirring her big cooking pot and muttering and mumbling a spell. Number 3. Why was Anansi pleased? When Anansi heard the witch saying that she cursed anyone who says the word five to disappear forever, then he was pleased as he thought this could help him make some money and get some food on the table of his family. For his family, okay? Number B. What was the first animal that Anansi tricked? Anansi first tricked Mrs. Rabbit. E. Which animals were not fooled by Anansi? Miss Frog and Mrs. Mew were not fooled by Anansi. Number F. What things could you buy in the market? We can buy the delicious yams, beads, pulses and grains from the market. Okay, number G. Why was Mrs. Mew going to the market and what was she going to do there? Number G. Mrs. Mew was going to the market to try to sell the pies she had made. She wanted to buy some mouth-watering delicacies for her family at the market. I. How many characters are there in the story you have just read? Make a list. There are 6 characters in the story. The witch, Anansi, Mrs. Rabbit and Mr. Dog, Mrs. Frog and Mrs. Stew. Okay. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. J. What clues are there in the story which tells us that Anansi was not a nice spider? Anansi was not a nice spider as he was a trickster. His first thought upon hearing the witch are that he can use it to his advantage. He is dishonest. He tricks nice characters. He does not share his food. He does not think about his family. And he gets angry when these things do not go the way he wants them. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is never try to trick someone. You may find that you yourself are the one to be tricked. Then number 2. Fill in the blanks with suitable words from the story. Okay. Number A. Anansi was trickster and he was having a difficult time. Anansi dashed through a gap in a witch fence picked. Then number C. He imagined delicious food he would find. A dash sound pulled Anansi from his daydream scurrying. She walked to the dash mound and stood on it nearest. Number F. Anansi dashed and showed all his sharp teeth, grinned. Okay, then number 3. Answer the question about these lines and the story. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one. Number 8. Who say these words? Mrs. Ryu said these words. Now, what is the speaker counting? Speaker is counting the mounds. Why does the speaker say and this one and that I am sitting on? The speaker said and this one that I am sitting on because he knew that Anansi is making trick at her. What happens after this? And after that, Anansi shouted that say 1 2 3 4 5, instantly in a big burst of sparks he disappeared. Okay, then working with words. See number 1, see if you can find the answer of the following description. Unscramble these 4 words to use in this case. Because number A, a person who operates on people in hospital is called doctor. Doctor hospital में patients को देखता है. A person who looks after people in the hospital, nurse. NURS, nurse. A person who has has children to learn, teacher. Teacher children को learn करने के लिए help करते हैं. A person who writes letters for somebody else is a secretary. boy. Okay, then number 3. The opposite of these words are all in the story. Find them. Okay. Easy, difficult. Nearest, farthest. Unkind, kind. Displeased, pleased. Appeared, disappeared. Loved, hated. Low, high. Light, heavy. Pleasant, unpleasant. Okay. Then punctuation. Punctuation क्या होता है? हम अगर जब सेंटेंस खत्म होता है हम फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं, कॉमा का यूज करते हैं, कहीं कहीं सेमी कॉलन का, ये सबको हम पंक्चुएशन बोलते हैं. ए फुल स्टॉप इज ए पॉज. फुल स्टॉप क्या है? एक पॉज है, मतलब यहाँ खत्म हो गया, थोड़ा रुक जाओ. इट सेपरेट्स वन सेंटेंस फ्रॉम अनदर. ये क्या करता है? एक सेंटेंस को दूसरे सेंटेंस के लिए अलग अलग करता है. ए कॉमा इज ऑल्सो ए पॉज. कॉमा भी पॉज है. इट इज यूज्ड टू सेंटेंस शॉर्ट पॉज. ये एक सेंटेंस में शॉर्ट पॉज दिखाने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. सेमीकोलन लुक्स लाइक दिस. ऐसा दिखता है सेमीकोलन. इट शोस अस दैट देयर इज ए पॉज इन अ सेंटेंस. ये एक पॉज है बोल के सेंटेंस में हमें दिखाता है. ए सेमीकोलन शोस ए पॉज लॉन्गर देन ए कॉमा. सेमीकोलन क्या है? कॉमा से ज़्यादा टाइम तक पॉज के लिए यूज किया जाता है, बट शॉर्टर देन ए फुल स्टॉप. फुल स्टॉप के लिए छोटा. ओके, नंबर 4. सेपरेट दिस sentence using semicolon and full stop. Don't forget to start each new sentence with the capital letter. मैंने इसका आंसर यहाँ पे भी किया है कॉपी में, जो आपको मैं दिखाती हूँ. Number 8. He shot an arrow, semicolon, they just watched. Number B. They were good archers, semicolon, he was good at everything, then full stop. Number C. The dog did not lie, semicolon, it could not bark or eat, full stop. Number D. I have 2 brothers, comma, Nikhil and Ajay, semicolon, and he has a sister, Aruna. Then E. We like to swim every day, semicolon, she does not. Then full stop. Okay, learning about language. Adverbs. Adverb का use, adverb noun या verb के बारे में या adjective के बारे में कुछ describe करके बताता है, उसको बोलते हैं adverb. Choose the suitable adverb from the box and add to the sentence given below. A. He wrote a letter to his sister. Yesterday he swiftly or carefully wrote a letter to his sister. He faced a tiger which was sleeping at his throat. He bravely faced a tiger which was swiftly leaping angrily at his throat. The man with the bad leg climbed the mountain track. The man with the bad leg slowly or painfully climbed the mountain track. Then number D. The arrow flew through the air at the target. The arrow flew smoothly or straight through the air at the target. Number E. I am going to my father's house. I am going to my father's house tomorrow. The man with the bundle shouted at his donkey. The man with the bundle shouted loudly or angrily at his donkey. The girl danced but did not sing at all. The girl danced beautifully or gracefully but did not sing at all. The boy sped down the step road on his cycle. The boy sped straight down the step road on his cycle. Okay, then writing question. Sentence को हमें question में convert करना है. Okay, बदलना है. Change the following into questions. A. A salesman can travel far. Can a salesman travel far? B. Sodium benzoate has a particular smell. Does sodium benzoate has a particular smell? Then question mark. Number C. The hotel's rooms are not expensive. Are the hotel's rooms expensive? Then question mark. Okay. The cash drawer is full of notes. Is the cash drawer full of notes? Number E. Nagpur is a place in Madhya Pradesh Is Nagpur a place in Madhya Pradesh? Then full stop. Sorry, question mark. The salesman goods and are offered at a discount. Are the salesman goods offered at a discount? Then question mark. Okay. तो ये है सारा क्वेश्चन आंसर इस चैप्टर का. सो आई होप सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. Share this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment below to let me know that you can understand clearly. Okay. I will see you in next one. Thank you. Have a nice day.